everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Success Mirror, and the slogan of my channel is don't stop until you find a way. So let's start with the new important topic. So today's topic is all about BRICS summit. You can see the image of Narendra Modi, PM Modi to visit Brazil for BRICS summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a 2 days from the 13th of the month to attend the 11th BRICS summit in Brasilia, Brazil. The theme of the summit this year is economic growth for an innovative future. This will be the sixth time that Mr. Modi participates in the BRICS summit. Study Current Affairs 2019, which is very important for your all upcoming examination. BRICS is the acronym coined for an association of five major emerging national economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Originally, the first four were grouped as BRIC before the induction of South Africa in 2010. So here is the important point. I'm gonna highlight this for you. Theme of the summit of this year is economic growth for the an innovative future. This is very important for your upcoming examination. I hope guys you must have liked this topic very much, and for more related video do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and please share my videos. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and thank you so much for a valuable time. See you in next videos.